Good morning, everyone. Nice to see you again. How are you all? We hope all is well. Let me introduce ourselves to you. We are all from 1A, the section of clever students. Our class teacher is Mrs. Usha. Today we would like to introduce magic words to you. Thank you for giving your notebook. I really read it. You are welcome. Anything for you, my friend. Thank you. You helped me a lot in doing my homework. It's my pleasure. You can ask any doubt whenever you want. Sorry, I didn't see you. It's okay. Don't worry. Leave it. Excuse me. I repeat. Excuse me. Please step out and interrupt someone. Excuse me. I know your name, please. Excuse me. Stop talking. Thank you.